Hello everyone, this is Spencer Langford from the Delta Regional Field Office, and in this video I'll be covering the Rice version of the ARMS 3 survey. The Rice version is similar to the original cost and returns report, but it adds unique questions targeted towards rice growers. This survey provides important information on the rice industry to the Economic Research Service. It was last conducted in 2012, making it very important to get new data on the rice industry. The rice version of this survey is a light orange color compared to the regular CRR that is blue. With a few minor exceptions, there are no differences between the regular cost and returns report and the rice version up until Section H. In Section H, you will notice under certain expenses, there's an additional question asking how much of the total expense was used on the rice enterprise. For example, the first question here on the cost of seed asks how much the farmer spent on seed in box 600. Below that, it asks how much of the seed expense was used for rice on box 603. This occurs on multiple expenses in the rice version, but not all of them. The rice version also adds two sections not found on the regular cost and returns report at the end of the survey. The first one is Section N, rice drying. These sections are only asked if the respondent grew rice in 2021. In question 2, please enter the month as a number, such as 09 for September or 11 for November. Also note in question 3, we are reporting in dry hundredweights as our unit. The other part of this section I wanted to cover is a skip pattern. Questions 5 through 8 are only answered if the operation has dried their own rice. If the rice was not dried at all, then questions 4 through 8 can be skipped entirely and you can proceed to Section O. Finally, please note once again that in question 8B, we are reporting in hundredweight. The other section unique to the rice version is Section O, irrigation. This section asks for irrigation on any kind of cropland or pasture, not just rice. Alfalfa, other hay, and pasture are pre-printed on the form, but other crops need to be entered manually. Please confirm the units for each crop's yield in column 5. Options for column 6 are displayed at the bottom of the page, and if none of the displayed options are reported by the operator, you can always write in the irrigation system that was used. The next page of Section O asks about water management techniques. Options for these questions are displayed at the top of the page. The second column on this question is only completed if 6 is entered in the first column. Essentially, what we're asking is only complete that second column if the technique is currently being used on the farm. That covers the differences in the rice version of the questionnaire compared to the normal cost and returns report. If there is anything you would like to be covered in more detail or any questions that you had, please make a note and ask your RFO staff when you attend your ARMS 3 training school. Thanks for your hard work on data collection for this survey.